Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a text black font in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now select Windows option and active control option. Also you can active artboard properties here. Now click on this type tool and simply click on this text. You can choose a specific text or you can choose all text. Press Ctrl A from your keyboard or select whole paragraph. Now click on this font style option. You have to choose Arial font style. Now you will find here sharp font. Here you will find this black font. Simply select here black and see this black font already applied. Also make this text font black. Also you can change here Arial already selected. Now select sharp font. Here you will find this black option and see this. In this way you can change a text font style. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.